I've got my RST jacket on. I've got my RST gloves. To be honest, they don't even need turning on. They're that warm, these gloves, it's unbelievable. Temperature's about 8 degrees up here in East Yorkshire. And this is the first time I've actually had a chance to test this microphone. GoPro 12. I've done a few functions at home. I'm just going to prove I wasn't bothered about the microphone today. And a few tests on the GoPro 12. Couldn't wait to use it. I've had it a week. So we'll go through a few functions later. Let's have a look. First time I've been out since November. I've done a little video. The basic things you should check before you go out. We all do. We all know them really. We all know you should check the tyres. We know we should check the battery. We know we should check the chain. And we should check the oil. But you know, we go out, we forget these things. Now whether this camera's the right angle, I don't know yet. Change the camera lens over. Oh, I'm not sure actually whether it's see me or not. Right, I'll try that now. I'll do a few more miles at that. We'll see. So I've cocked up on the first instance, then I've cocked up again. It's only me testing the camera out, getting the angles right. So yeah, you've seen this, I've said it before, the first journey, it's first time out today on the BSA Gold Star, and it's just nice to get out, and I'm basically testing this camera out today, a few bits and bobs to it. I'm on it. Just want to say hi to certain people while I'm riding. Obviously not used to me talking because I've never had a microphone that works properly apart from me Insta360, which has been, well, it's been okay. Good for 360 shots. Forward shots not so good for me. I don't know why. You get blurring out all the time, probably wants resetting. But I'll just say hello to Sean and Susie in Spain. I love watching your videos, guys. Thank you very much for the mention last time. I appreciate that. I want to say hello to Ian Hughes. Doing some splendid videos. Hope you're back. I think your back's playing up, I think. But hope you're okay, sunshine. I hope we'll come down to Stoke one day. We'll ride with you. Whoever's in Stoke-on-Trent or Derbyshire, I'll have a ride one of these days when I come down to Stoke. The all-year motorcyclists, I feel sorry for you. Oh, it's horrible losing you. Well, I've never lost a family member yet. I don't want to lose one, and especially close to your sister. It's awful, it is. But hope you're alright, mate. I really do. There's so many people really think about or watch. It's too many. Missington Fly's got a new little classic 350 in his garage. That's nice. A nice little bike. It just seems strange having him on one of those. It's going to keep him for a year. He's more a sports bike, an adventure bike to me. But hey, it'd be great to see him on it. I was watching Moto UK last night. Trying to give his name now. It's Nick. That's Nick, yeah. Oh, that's a nice bike, that is. Enfield. I wasn't sure at first about the blackened out bike, but it looks well. I like the GT as well, really. I wouldn't mind trying a GT. And I've asked him to check. Oh, he said he's going to try and get it, but hopefully he will. Oh, I forgot to mention Exeter Rider. Well done, mate, and all the team there, down south. Down south. And it's me. Hello, Jeff. Saddlebag 73. Oh my goodness, the guy, I forgot his name now, from Western Super Blog, is his blog? He's a good guy as well. Like, I forgot again, Bingley Wheeler, another one, is a great guy. he was saying that he's losing. I mean, I don't get many subscriptions anyway on mine, but he's losing subscribers because they're just dropping out, and they're dropping out. Every so often you think, hang on, I've already subscribed to him, and I'm not seeing these things. I'm not seeing I'm not seeing his videos come up, and you feel awful really when you have to go and resubscribe. Market Wheaton. I'm going to turn around here. I don't really want to be down Market Wheaton, to be honest. I want to go out towards York. That way. Let's have a look. These names are coming back on my head again now. Bandit Man UK. He's from Staffordshire, I think. Slashing guy, slashing couple. Great videos, Empire. They do. I just hope that the microphone's working okay on this camera, on this link between the GoPro 12 and the Rode 2. That bloke on the motorbike, he's a nice guy. He'll chat forever in. So that's what he wants. And he had his bike pinched, didn't he? His Royal Enfield 350 pinched. It's such a shame. He's got a new one now anyway. Felt really sorry for him. I've met him, he came down to my house last year sometime. Right, just want to test the microphone on this, and if you watched the video so far, thank you very much anyway.